Okay, hello everyone, and welcome to new tutorial. It's a quick tutorial. I will show you how to create like a multiple staircase or steps that you can merge it with the long ramp to the final landing. Basically, the idea that we have the main and the end stair with the landing, and then we will connect it. We will connect like a ramp, a long ramp, and multiple pieces of stair that you can both can get to the final level. So we can model it into pieces like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. But the better one that we would create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 6 pieces of the stairs and 1 piece only for the ramp. By saying piece, I mean model element inside Revit. So let's get started. Okay, everyone. I have like a single piece of stairs that I want to merge a multiple pieces of stairs and ramp connected to it. So let's start. I prefer that don't create a new stair, just double click inside, and from inside we can just mirror it to this side by or DM like this by copying and remove one step below or one step minus. Then do it again, one step minus. Remember that don't get out from the mood. Just stay in the same mood so at the end you can see, you can select it as a one object. Removing one step, because the idea that we will have between each piece, we will have like a 30 centimeter, a single width of step that the ramp can join them. The concept of reducing one step backward or less, one step less, that we can get the final shape that looks modern and elegant. And the final one. Okay, now this is how it looks in 3D. So let's start with the ramp. Okay, now with the ramp, go to the boundary, draw your boundary at the edge, and boundary with the edge of the stair, and trim these lines, and starting with the riser and ending with the riser. Okay, just reverse it. Okay. Oh yeah, we forgot to add the final piece of the ramp. Yeah, so you can have this one, the final, the starting of the ramp. Yeah. Okay. So now we will we will have this. You will get this result. The stair is okay. You can just make sure whatever. Just make sure the height of the riser. Well, for me, I would keep it 7. So it's no. Let's make it. So you would get this result. But for me, I want to reduce it. Okay, 6 meter. Okay, and yeah, okay. Sometimes you will get an issue here. For example, if you make this looks 200 or 7, sometimes you will get the differences between the edges, two edges. To solve this, make sure that you know the height, the level of the ramp and of the landing, and get the difference between them. Let's say 143. So you go here and minus 143. In this case, you will get it like attaching and matching, aligned. My recommendation is to add a specific level for easy creating the ramp and the stairs and connect them properly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join our Telegram channels for the previous videos, scripts, and the updates. See you next one.